All right, boys and girls, this week we're going to be learning about pronouns. But we have to go back just a little bit to review about nouns. Do you remember how many nouns did we learn? Yes, I can hear you. We took 4 kinds of nouns. What are they? You are right. People, places, things, and animals. Very, very well. So, pronouns take the place of a noun. Here, this is a noun for what? A noun for girl, okay? So, instead of saying the girl is playing, we're going to say she is playing. She is always for a girl. As for boys, instead of saying the boy is happy, we're going to say he is happy. So we're taking this week pronoun for she and he. All right? So a quick review again. A pronoun takes the place of a noun. And the noun that we are changing to today are the girl and the boy. The girl is she and the boy is he. Let's go to our next slide. So let's circle all the pictures that show a she and underline all the pictures that show a he. So, is this a boy or a girl? That's a boy, so we're going to underline it. Super. How about this? What is that? A girl or a boy? A girl. So, she. How about this one? Super. He. How about this one? She. He. She. She. And then he. Okay, let's play another game. Remember, in a sentence, we always have a noun and a verb. What's a verb? Action verb. What we're doing. What is reading, writing, okay? Singing. So let's go to this one. Let's put the pronoun first. So the pronoun is he because it's a boy. He is, what is he doing? He is skating. Super. How about this one? The pronoun will be she. What is she doing? Swinging. So she is swinging. How about this boy? What is this boy doing? He has a stuffed toy here. So he is playing with the frog. How about her here? What is she doing? Because it's a girl, so she is planting or picking flowers. How about this boy? He is waving. How about this girl? What is she doing? And what kind of pronoun are we going to put in front of the verb? She is skipping the rope. Super. She is buying balloons. He is flying a kite. Super. Super proud of you. So I think that's easy. The boy is he and the girl is she. See, these are all he. I want you to read them. They're very easy. He is raising his hand. He is drawing. He is hiking. He is blowing bubbles. He is jumping. See, they all have the pronoun he and a verb after it. He is gluing because they're doing something. He is picking flowers. He is pouring lemonade. He is flying a kite. And now, she. Because the girl is a she. Instead of saying the girl is cutting paper, we're going to be saying she is cutting paper. She is sliding. She is reading. She is riding a bike. She is building a castle. She is swinging. She is reading. Again, she is watering flowers. And last but not least, she is fishing. So, again, She is for the girl noun, and he is for the girl, the boy noun. We're turning them into pronouns, he and she. Let's see here. We want to look at this picture and see if we're going to put he or she here. So, likes to build sandcastle. So, is this a boy or a girl? So instead of saying the boy likes to build sandcastle, we can say he likes to build sandcastle. He enjoys snorkeling in the ocean. This girl, what is she doing? So it's a girl. She likes to play at the beach. She is swimming under the water. She likes to swim in the lake. Okay, super guys. So here on this paper, I want you to get your journals or a piece of paper, and then what pronouns did we take? We took he and she. Okay, so we took he and she, and then I want you to build a sentence. We're going to be taking more pronouns later in the weeks that are coming, so you can keep this paper with you. I want you to write a sentence with he and a sentence with she, and remember the sentence always has to have a verb. So she is reading a book, or she is brushing her hair. He is skating. You can make it even longer if you like with an adjective. He is flying a red kite, right? Okay. She is painting a yellow wall. All right? So I want you to try to use these pronouns in sentences. I'm sure you can do it. You're doing a super job. I'm super proud of you. I hope you have learned something new today.